Thank you to our Bahrain customer for purchasing 520 EA1000C6 LED screens and 80 EA500C6 LED screens from us. EA1000C6 rental LED screen features a quick-lock design and supports curved installation, offering flexibility with both inner and outer arc options to suit various needs. The cabinet is made from durable die-cast aluminum, with stainless steel screws and locks for enhanced sturdiness and longevity. The power supply is positioned near the rear cover, which includes a heat dissipation system to improve overall cooling performance. Widely used in stage events, exhibitions, and business meetings, the EA1000C6 is ideal for both temporary and long-term installations due to its flexibility and ease of setup. In the future, EagerLED will continue to innovate and strive to provide customers with more high-quality, customizable display products to meet the ever-changing market demands.